for 12:15 p.m. Messrs. MK Enterprises versus the State of Bihar for the petitioner Sri Ram Babu Singh.
Exactly. I here on behalf of the petitioner. Look, kindly see annexure 9, page 34. The agreement has been cancelled without giving me any notice. And
so where is the 23/10/2018 order memo?
At the end of the brief, my lord, of the writ petition, annexure 9, page 34.
Is it a speaking order?
It is a speaking order, your lordship. On the previous page, your lordship will see order number 3.
Where is the consideration of his representation? What are the points raised by him?
My lord, that your lordship will find annexure 8. It starts at page, my lord. First one, kindly see annexure 7, my lord, page 13. Annexure 7, page 30 is the order of the High Court.
Earlier, this is second round litigation.
Second litigation.
Now take annexure 8.
Yes. This is the representation pursuant to the High Court's order.
Where is the consideration in each of the point in
the points taken by the writ petitioner, my lord, is in the representation, my lord. If your lordship will see, your lordship, page 31.
My lord, by
that
grievance was.
हम स्टेट साथ सही बोल के बहस करेंगे, हम निश्चिंत रहिए, तो थोड़ा सा हम बोले
ठीक.
At page 32, last paragraph, my lord, whatever grounds have been taken, that have been taken. My lord, before this, my lord, may I give the list of dates, my lord?
Wait.
I'm sorry, lords.
Oh, this has been considered in the last. Yeah. Not sufficient, huh?
If your lordship will see page 32, but I'm sorry.
Who is the competent authority to float a tender?
District Magistrate, my lord, is the president of the committee.
So where is the source of power?
Yes. If your lordship will see the agreement.
So installation of solar lights in which places?
Annexure 3,
My lord,
Which places?
Lord, annexure 3 at page 23 is the agreement, your lordship.
Page?
23.
It is signed by district planning officer, not by district magistrate.
This is the agreement, my lord. Agreement between those officer and the petitioner.
Alright, it shows that where is the source of power of the district magistrate?
At page 24 bottom. समाहरणालय सहरसा के सक्षम पदाधिकारी के स्तर से समय समय पर निर्गत आदेशों निर्देशों का पालन करना आपूर्तिकर्ता का परम
Signed by district planning officer.
agreement is between the petitioner and the district planning officer. But the competent authority की लॉर्डशिप काइंडली सी साथ ही एकरारनामा के शर्तों के अनुपालन के क्रम में उत्पन्न होने वाले किसी भी विवाद का निपटारा जिला पदाधिकारी सक्रय
By whom?
I think NIT किसने इशू किया था? DM. And my lord, according to the agreement itself, my lord, power is my lord, vested with the district magistrate, who happens to be the chairman of the committee, purchase committee.
District magistrate is the commander.
Like this.
Power is vested in the district magistrate. My lord, if your lordship will see the impugned order, my lord, annexure 9, that's why, my lord, I wanted to provide some dates and events, your lordship, and the factual matrix which led to passing of the order, my lord, and how the district magistrate has dutifully discharged his duty, my lord, to save the state revenue.
Right?
Yeah. Parties have already accepted to this decision. Second is the rates are on higher side. Here the question of purchasing.
Annexure 9.
Is the order impugned, my lord, which is a
Petitioner's counsel, I am asking, if your rates are on higher side compared to other districts, why you should be allowed to work or...
Below, kindly see lecture 3 below. Rate has already been fixed, agreed below, and the parties have already entered into agreement below. Kindly see lecture 3. Lecture 3, page 2-3 below. Next page is 2-4 below. Rate has already been agreed by the parties. Now, on that ground, my lord, whether the respondent can cancel the agreement, already agreed by the parties. And that is to, without giving me any notice, my lord. My lord, by the impugned order, my lord, by agreement has been cancelled.
Agreement when the tender was allotted to you
My lord,
and you entered into an agreement,
my lord,
they cancelled your tender,
my lord.
that agreement.
And thereafter, my lord, I invested huge money, my lord, 36 lakhs already I have invested, my lord. And thereafter, my lord, without giving me any notice, my lord, they have cancelled the agreement.
no work order. Where is the question of, my lord, investment of money?
They have already.
What is the reason for cancellation?
My lord, if your lordship will see, my lord, the difference of amount from the file also, your lordship, and from the order impugned, I can demonstrate.
No, in the bid, his bid was accepted.
Yes.
Then where's the question of
That is
then where's the question of revisiting and cancelling?
because the power is in the agreement itself, my lord, that in case of any dispute, it is the district magistrate who.
Who has raised the dispute?
From the records, my lord, it appears, your lordship, that it was certain documents were kept in the file, my lord, from which, my lord, it appears, your lordship, that the Buxar, the same solar light, my lord, 3-arm solar light, your lordship, it was supplied at the rate of 2,96,663. Kaimur, my lord, 2,72,000. Samastipur, my lord, 1,71,954. And petitioner has quoted, your lordship, 3,85,000. And only with a view to save the state exchequer, your lordship, the district magistrate has dutifully discharged his duty. It is not for the benefit of himself or any prejudicial manner, malicious manner, no. He has discharged the he happens to be collector also, my lord, of the district.
There is that clause that allows you to back out from this agreement or terminate the.
That's why, my lord, I was reading from the agreement, your lordship. Kindly see, my lord, in Annexure 3, na?
Yes, Annexure 3.
At the bottom, my lord.
The bottom it only says.
May I read, my lord? It is in Hindi.
इकरारनामा के शर्तों के अनुपात क्रम में उत्पन्न होने वाले किसी विवाद का निपटारा। इकरारनामा के शर्त में कहाँ कोई विवाद हो रहा है?
Arising out of the agreement, my lord.
Although this is not part of the record, may I provide this? At the bottom, last clause 7.
What is this document?
This is, my lord, the original NIT, your lordship. अरे वो की बात है, ओरिजिनल NIT क्या फोटोकॉपी? Last clause 7.
Clause 7.
It always remains in the agreement, my lord, that in case of some dispute or whatever, my lord. Had it been a case, my lord, that in course of execution of the contract, your lordship, matter would have been different.
This is your repetition, reserve party to file suit for damages against them.
Lord, but as far as Lord, impinged order is concerned,
Are you ready to?
violative of principles of natural justice, my lord. My lord, in view of the recent case of the
Are you ready to supply at the rate of 2,73,000? Are you ready to supply?
Lord, as far as rate is concerned, my lord, the rate has already been agreed by the party.
Correct, but at the same time, they have a right to cancel in the light of clause 7 of the NIT and so also clause in the agreement.
Then, my lord, I have to take instruction, my lord, whether.
Get instruction, which is the lowest rate? 2 lakh?
1,71,954, my lord.
But you have allowed the other district to supply 2,96,000?
272, 296.
296 you give him, if it is already allowed.
Lord, the work still
One
has
more
not
thing,
been done.
Lord, per instruction of the district magistrate. Now this was under the Sansad Nidhi Yojana, Parliament member of Parliament Yojana.
You are not concerned with that. You are comparing with two sets of.
At that point of time.
Even at that point of time, only 2017.
पैसा कहाँ से आएगा? वो तो जब स्कीम
Lord, work has still.
स्कीम जब क्लोज हो जाने के बाद पैसा फिर नहीं मिल सकता.
No, I am not able to understand what you are.
If the scheme has been closed, under which
No, the litigation is pending. Just because scheme is closed, you can't shut down.
And work has also not been done, my lord. Still it is pending. Work has not been done.
Oh,
And this is second round litigation.
yes, it is.
You can't take shelter.
Lord, as per instruction, Lordship, Lord, the concerned MLA has also cancelled his scheme, Lordship. He used to give me, Lord, the proposal and thereafter approval.
Sir, you reconcile in the government. Why are you depending on MLA? Then we are going to impose cost.
Reconcile कैसे करिए?
Otherwise, we provide him compensation.
वो नहीं मिलेगा यहाँ पर. ऐसे reconcile कीजिएगा. How to get?
Whichever is accepted by them.
नीचे वाले रेट पे.
Ready, he will do it at this rate.
अरे मना हो गया वर्क प्लान में, तो हम क्या करेंगे?
It is proper.
आगे आगे बोलिए थोड़ा सा.
296, 273, 170 something.
Lord, let the district magistrate, he wants to communicate something, Your Lordship.
Good morning, my lord. Sir, this scheme was taken under Vidhayak Nidhi, sir. So at that time, sir, our respective honorable MLA has also cancelled this scheme. And presently, sir, because MLA is also changed, sir, and from department also there is stay on.
All right, we will adequately compensate him for causing inconvenience.
But sir,
We'll
because it was.
don't interest work. We are going to compensate him by providing compensation from the state fund. Instead of work, we'll impose exemplary cost compensation.
Anyhow,
So you have a now choice: provide work or ready to pay compensation. He has a choice. Lowest at the rate of 296, he will supply and complete the work.
I will take guidance from department, sir, regarding this.
Huh?
I will take guidance from department regarding for providing work, sir.
2018 matter, you slept over the matter for 5 years and no further time would be granted.
in lieu of 296, my lord,
Huh?
in lieu of 296, there are 3 rates, my lord, in different districts.
Sir, you have accepted and the concerned XY party has already supplied at the rate of 296. You give him a 296.
थोड़ा स्टेट एक्सचेकर को बचाना चाह रहे थे.
This
थोड़ा
is of 2017.
Sir, what action you, one second, what action you have taken against such of those officials who are all involved, against the district magistrate, what action you have taken?
Lord, in tender notice, Your Lordship, Lord, when Lord, different tenderers have submitted their quotations, Lord, there is no scope of getting any.
Then why are you so interested in this case? Why in cancelling?
When it was learned, Your Lordship, that
Correct, in 296 you did not learn.
let him take Lord, guidance from the department, because unless had it been a case, Lord, where is the state funding is there, a state scheme, sorry, then he would have Lord, requested and got the work implemented.
All right, now we are going to
Here,
award compensation.
here is the case, Lord, wherein Lord MP lad fund, yeah, whatever it is called, Your Lordship. Under that, Your Lordship,
That is being misused, abused.
so let him be given an opportunity, Your Lordship, to seek guidance from the department, and thereafter, Lord, he may come back.
The prima facie, the petitioner has made out a case to stop his tender, his work order has been cancelled after execution of agreement only with reference to,
Agreement has been cancelled.
only with reference to,
The agreement है जो work order नहीं है.
allows to give.
I'm sorry. Sorry, Your Lordship.
Clause 7 of the NIT read with the clause imposed in the agreement to stop. The sole reason for cancellation of work order in favor of the petitioner is that he has quoted higher rate insofar as supplying of solar lights while comparing with other districts. To stop. He reliably learned that in other districts rates were quoted at rupees 296, rupees 296, rupees 273 and rupees 171.
171.
170?
1,71,954.
74,000. Whereas the petitioner has quoted 3,85,000 to stop. No doubt it is on higher side. But at the same time, in all fairness, the petitioner was a successful bidder and the agreement has been executed. The concerned authority, instead of cancelling, should have given a proposal for supply of solar lights on par with the other districts. The petitioner is hereby directed to get instruction from his client, learned counsel for the petitioner is hereby directed to get instruction from his client as to whether is he willing to supply solar lights on par with the other district, like at the rate of 2,96,000 or not. To stop. Similarly, whether the official respondents could accommodate the petitioner in supplying solar lights at the rate of rupees 2,96,000 on par with the similarly situated district. The successful builder is stated to have supplied solar lights at the rate of rupees 2,96,000. Release this matter next week.
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
2 weeks. Make clear that no further time will be granted for the reasons that the matter is pending consideration for the last 5 years.
Appearance of district magistrate.
He has to be here.
There would be, my lord, one difficulty, my lord, if your lordship will allow me after the dictation is over. MP-led fund, my lord, was provided.
It's up to you. You come up with some concrete, either accepting this or no, we are not ready. If you are not ready, we will adequately compensate him for having made inconvenience to him.
Whether I can, my lord, dilute that 2 lakhs.
Documents.
Pardon?
Since you are also creating documents, this document in Excel 9, page 34-35, and you have brought this document. These are
Yes, वो बढ़ा दीजिएगा वो.
Wait.
adjacent. पहले लिखिएगा state से पहले. We have also noticed that Annexure 9 annexed with the writ petition is a document dated 23rd of October 2018, which bears the signature of District Magistrate Saharsa, and it appears it has been passed. The order contained in this document has been passed with reference to civil jurisdiction case number 439 of 2018. Now certain document, full stop.
This one, what is there to be?
Certain documents have been placed for perusal of this court by the district magistrate who has been directed to appear in person. And this order and this document, which contains the same order, it has been signed by the committee bearing members as district magistrate, deputy development commissioner, and the district program officer.
Your lordship is looking into perhaps, my lord, the tender matter.
Just a minute.
That has been signed by 3 persons.
Full stop, but the contents are all same. The district magistrate Saharsa is directed to clarify by filing a personal affidavit of third state of.
Turn this. Hello. On the next page.
Just a minute. Oh, it is the communication, your lordship.
All right, put it in writing, filing
Only
application.
communication, my lord. Nothing else. Order. And it is only communication. Communication can be only by the officer, my lord, who is authorized to pass.
You have put in similar manner. You have put SD district magistrate Saharsa. Similarly, you could have typed names of other 2 persons.
In tender matters, may I explain just now? In tender matters, there used to be a committee, presided by my lord, purchase committee, presided by the district magistrate, and that has been signed by the committee, and that's why you lordship got 3 signatures. Whereas communication contains only signature of the district magistrate.
File your affidavit.
Yes. Obliged.